Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 4 and I'm gonna show you how to pause the activity on this watch. So let's start the activity, and let's say you have the activity going and you want to pause it. And you can do it by pressing the upper button. The workout will pause, and after a few seconds the menu will appear on the screen. And that's the pause menu, and here you have some options. You can also resume it by pressing the upper button or by tapping on the resume option once the menu appears. You can also pause it and resume it later. You have this option called here, resume later, and if you tap on it, it will pause the workout and bring you back to the home screen, and now you can do some stuff on your watch. And if you open the quick panel, this one, so basically swipe down from the top of the screen, the icon of the workout will appear right here at the top. And if you want to resume that workout, you can tap on it. It will bring you back to your workout, and you can resume it if you want to. Okay, and that's how you pause the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.